because wala kaming makuhang teacher. Bye! Enjoy! Have fun!
Bless
Go! You greet her.
Greet and bless.
Go, ano? Okay, so may araw na. Stan? Ready na ka? Ready ka na? Say good morning. Ayan, so medyo maliwanag na. Ayan, bababa na yan siya. Okay? Going down na, okay? 3:45 pa rin? Hindi 3:30?
3:45.
Okay. See you later. So it's now 6:10 in the morning. The drop-off ko na si Stan sa school, and ito, pabalik na ako sa bahay. So pagdating ko sa house, siguro mga 6:35 na sa bahay na ako yun. Usually, what's good about this time ng paghatid kay Stan sa school is that konti pa lang talaga, or not naman really konti, but not as many cars or vehicles sa street dito sa Katipunan, and yung mga dadaanan ko na main road. So kaya gusto namin talaga na maaga, like we leave the house ng 5:15, so mga 5:30 nasa daan na kami. Tapos I make contents din sa aking TikTok account. So I have my recommendations account sa TikTok. So yung mga clothing recommendations, mga gamit sa house na recommendations, I usually post sa TikTok. So I also have to edit those videos. And yun, so ginagawa din siya, kine-create din yung mga content na yun. Kaya I usually find time para dun sa mga yun. And aside from my TikTok recommendations account, I also do affiliates for Shopee and Lazada. So affiliate din ako dun sa mga e-commerce platforms na yun. It's additional source of income, and it won't hurt kasi namamanage ko naman yung time ko sa bahay, and hindi naman ako corporate employee, or hindi ako employee ngayon. That's why I can manage my time. Kaya I find those things helpful para sa akin. Kasi 'di ba, even if you have an excellent husband who is the provider of the family, it's also very nice to have your own income. No, kahit maliit lang siya, pero alam mong you're earning, diba? It's a fulfillment, self-fulfillment siya. Especially now that I cannot practice my profession. It's because that's my choice, and gusto kong mag-guide yung aking anak hanggang mag-senior high school siya. So yan ang aming family arrangement, dahil that's my choice. Also, managing yung aming small online tutorial services na business. So that's what I'm trying to rebuild. Kasi ang tagal din nag-stop nun, like a year. It's because wala kaming makuhang teacher. Kasi yung mga kilala kong teachers ay also working full-time sa mga schools, sa public schools, sa private schools. So, meron talaga silang full-time job. Kaya ang hirap makakuha ng teachers. Ayaw ko kasi yung mag-hire ng teachers na hindi education graduate. Kasi as a parent, alam ko yung impact ng teachers or tutor sa kanilang mga anak. No, kasi you're paying for the service, so dapat you're getting what you pay for, diba? Kaya gusto ko na quality din yung teachers na meron ako. Kaya hinihintay ko talagang magkaroon ng availability yung aking mga colleagues, yung mga friends ko. I don't mind na hindi magkaroon ng students sa aming tutorial center. As long as makuha ko yung service or makuha ko yung mga teachers that I really know yung kanilang work ethics. Yan, alam ko talaga yun since I worked with them before. Kaya I really want them to be the tutors or the teachers in my tutorial center. Kaya yun, talaga naghihintay ako ng availability para hindi basta-basta yung mga teachers or quality. Okay, medyo malapit-lapit na ako sa bahay. See you later. O diba guys, nakikita nyo sa kabilang side, may build up na kasi 6:25 pa lang yan in the morning. Pero grabe na yung build up sa kabila. So imagine if ganyang time kami umalis. Malilate na si Stan. 7:30 kasi yung time in ni Stan sa school. So kung ganitong oras ka aalis dito sa place namin, good luck talaga. Okay, so I'm already parked and akyat na ako sa house. See you later. Thank you. Have a good morning, everybody. Hey you guys, it's a Saturday today and it's 12:25 in the afternoon. We are going to Stan's classmate for a birthday celebration. So ita-drop off namin siya sa bahay ng classmate niya. And then kami ng husband ko ay may errands na gagawin sa mall nearby, which is UP Town Center. So yun, yan si husband. Hi. And then at the back, andyan si Stan. mag-iwan ng ID or something.
They can immediately.
Ah, yeah.
Let's stay.
The state.
Bye. Enjoy.
Bye.
Have fun.
Mag-bless ka. Huh?
You greet, ha?
Greet and bless them.
Go, anak.
Bye. Love you.
I will see you later.
Umaatid na siya ng birthday. Umaatid na ng party yung anak. This is what I ordered as well. It's the salmon oreganata. So there. So we're going back to where we dropped off Stan. Sundin na namin siya. It's 4:28 p.m. So yeah. Hello. How was it? What did you do?
Play badminton and then billiards. Then eat.
So you know how to play billiards now?
Yeah. At least the basics. Kasi natin doon.
Sure.